You don't have to be born in 1974 to want this box of nostalgic candy. My son is having his birthday this weekend, and he wanted this to share with his friends, as it's a great way to try out a bunch of candy that he can't get any other way. So let me show you what you get in this retro candy box. There's a lot. Pop Rocks, candy buttons, sugar babies. I haven't seen these in stores in so long. A good old candy necklace, wax lips, a vanilla French chew, an Abba Zaba, Chuckles, Boston baked beans, gotta love the Red Hots, Zots, Razzles, Mike and Ike's, Dots, the Target candy cigarettes, Fun Dip, Silly Sticks and Bazooka gum, the Tootsie Roll, a Sugar Daddy, Tea Berry gum, Peanut and Charleston Chews, Twin Cherry, Cherry Now and Laters, Bit of Honeys, and a pile of hard candies, Smarties, and a Tootsie Roll. My son is gonna love this, and if you are looking for nostalgic candy, I have not seen some of these in stores for so long, and a few of these I don't even recognize, which is really cool, and what a fun way to try some candies that are no longer readily available. Get this retro candy box.